Let's explore the contemporary allure of Calocephalus Brownii, a silver foliage marvel that adds a touch of uniqueness to modern gardens. Known for its distinctive appearance and adaptability, this Australian native plant brings a silvery charm to landscapes. Native to Australia, Calocephalus Brownii thrives in coastal areas with well-draining soil. Its natural habitat includes sandy dunes and coastal cliffs, showcasing its ability to withstand challenging conditions. This evergreen shrub is characterized by its small, silver-gray leaves that densely cover the plant, giving it a cushion-like appearance. Calocephalus Brownii typically grows in a rounded, compact form, reaching a height of 12 to 18 inches. Its silver foliage provides a striking contrast in gardens and container plantings. Adaptable and undemanding, Calocephalus Brownii thrives in well-draining soil and prefers full sun to partial shade. It is a drought-tolerant plant once established, making it suitable for xeriscaping and coastal gardens. This low-maintenance plant is resistant to pests and diseases. The silver foliage of Calocephalus Brownii creates a stunning contrast when paired with plants featuring dark green or vibrant colors. It works well as a border plant, edging, or as a focal point in modern landscapes. Its compact size makes it suitable for containers, adding a contemporary flair to patios and balconies. Calocephalus Brownii is prized for its ornamental value, providing a year-round interest with its silver-gray foliage. It serves as an excellent ground cover, creating a cohesive and stylish look in both residential and commercial landscapes. Its versatility extends to container gardening, where it adds a touch of sophistication. While Calocephalus Brownii is not grown for culinary or medicinal purposes, the plant's resilience and adaptability makes it a valuable asset in garden designs, requiring minimum care for maximum impact. In conclusion, Calocephalus Brownii stands out as a silver foliage marvel, adding a touch of contemporary elegance to gardens. Its unique appearance, adaptability, and low maintenance nature make it a versatile choice for various landscaping applications. Embrace the silver allure of Calocephalus Brownii and elevate the style of your outdoor spaces.